characteristic long arm that you can see on the roof of the tram is known as a trolley, and that's the way that the electricity is collected by the tram from the live overhead wires. At one end it's got a brass wheel with a groove in it which runs along the wire to collect electricity, and at the other end there's a trolley base with very powerful springs which ensures that the arm is kept in contact with the wire at all times. The trolley has always got to trail the tram. We can't drive with what we call the trolley leading, so it's always trailing behind the tram in that direction. And at the end of the line, when we get to the very end, we've got no turntables or anything like that to turn the tram round, so all we simply do is drop the trolley off the wire, turn it round and put it to the other end of the tram, and the tram driver will pick up the handles from the control and the air brakes and go to the other end, plonk them on the controllers and air brake at the other end of the tram, and we carry on back in the opposite direction. It's as simple as that.